Hello everyone! How are you guys? I hope you have a nice and a great day morning! Kumusta ang lahat dyan? It's me again! Your Sissy Loves Joanne. Ayan, nandito na naman tayo guys. Kumusta kayo dyan? So I hope everything is well, everything is good. So let's have merienda. And feeling good, feeling fresh. Thank you, Lord. Oh, every day is another day. Every day is a blessings. Every day is another vlog. Oh, yun. Ang update natin, guys, for today's video, guys. Magmerienda tayo. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-merienda dyan. So, let's have eat together. Let's have take your merienda then over there. Ano to, guys? Ano-ano mga pinagsasabi, guys? Gutom lang yan. Miming. Ayun. I hope kayo dyan. You have a nice, you wake up in a nice, great morning. You feel good. Everything is, feeling fresh ng inday nyo, guys. Don't mind my messy hair. Wavy hair. Kain. Miming, di na niya kinain ang sa kanya. I feel a little busy today, guys. Let's have my coffee and milk. Kaso lang, di na masyado mainit, guys. Yummy. Kasi, I feel a little busy today, guys. Kasi go out na naman ako, guys. Going out na naman ako again later, guys. It's my schedule na naman today, guys, to going market. Nako, ang inday nyo, guys. Yun naman talaga ang routine natin, guys. Wala namang iba. Charis. Yun naman, guys. Very simple life lang tayo, guys. Andun man sa'yo, Ming. Hindi mo yun. Eat. Kain. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much for watching. So, see you next again in my next vlog. God bless. Bye. Hi. Hello, guys. I'm here. Walking time. Very nature. Paulit-ulit ko talaga to ditong daanan, guys. No, kasi dito talaga ako magdaan. Usually, mamili ako, guys. Lalo na kung maglakad. So, yun. Mainit, guys. Usually kasi din, guys, ganitong oras ako may free time na. Kailangan din, estimated, guys, mga 3 p.m. or mga ganun. Kailangan mga 1, labas na. 3 p.m. nandun na din ako. Kabalik na, guys. Kasi minsan, guys, marami mamili na pag merienda time. Diba, mga drinks, any merienda. So, may mga customer na naman yan, guys. Diba? Pang merienda sa mga trabahante nila, guys. O, doon yan mamili. So, yun lang. Kaya, bilisan ko na pala, guys. Lapit na 2 o'clock, guys. Kaya, naku, wag na tayong magtagal pa. Double time na ang paglakad. Walking. So, yun lang, guys. Thank you so much. See you next video, guys. Bye.